So I found out the festival through friends and social media, and what I love about Taiwan is it's just everything. It's just the food, the scenery, and the people.
Often you go back to Taiwan.
Once a year.
Phil and Jia, can you describe a little bit of what you guys have done in the festival?
We've been helping out in finance, just making sure we're, you know,
everything's coming in on budget. We're in charge of the money box. We're also making sales here to raise some proceeds for the festival.
How long did you guys start planning this festival?
I would say since February.
Yeah, it's been a while. It takes a lot of effort from a lot of people to get this together.
And is this your first time at the festival?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Oh wow, congrats. What do you think so far?
So far, everything's going pretty smooth. Everything's going along.
Yeah, the performances are great. We listened to the practice performances. They're going to be great. There's a lot of people, so great.
All right, thank you guys. Last question. What do you guys like the most about Taiwan?
The food.
The food?
Definitely
What
the food.
Specifically?
Xiaolongbao.
Xiaolongbao?
Yeah.
Boba.
All right, thank you guys, Jia and Phil.
I want to thank him. He mobilized all the, 2G coming here to serve as a Taiwanese community. That's a very positive thing. You should take over this work, continue to, to glorify Taiwanese culture.
Is this your first time at the festival?
Oh, no. I've been probably almost every year. When I was in US, I always come. Maybe how many years I forgot.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, since the first day.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. So how did you hear about the festival?
Oh no, I'm the Secretary General of Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California.
Oh, nice. And how many years have you been doing the festival?
Well, I think it's more than 10 years, maybe 15 years
10
plus.
years. Yeah. What do you like the most about the festival every year? Like, what brings you to do this every year?
Well, because we can get Taiwan to have more visibility in the world, and to, I guess, a lot of tourists coming to this area, come through this area, so they can get to know more about Taiwan.
Yeah, that's very impressive. Doing this like 10 years in a row. Yeah. I've only done this 3 years, and it's been very. It takes a lot out of you every year because we start planning it every month, like months before.
Actually, it's more, it's not just 10 years. For my involvement, it's already 10 years.
Oh, okay.
And I think it's probably 17 years, most likely.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's quite impressive, actually.
Yeah, thank you.
So last question, what do you like the most about Taiwan?
I like the most of Taiwan is its beautiful scenery, as well as very friendly people, and the democracy, the freedom of speech, freedom of religions. So it's all good. It's all good. So so that's the best.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, I'm here with Vivian Liu, president of TAP SF. Can you describe a little bit about what we're doing here at the festival?
We're really trying to showcase all the wonderful parts of Taiwanese and Taiwanese American culture that it has to offer. So really sharing the wealth with the rest of the world.
Great. How long have you guys been doing this festival? Is this your first year?
This is my third year being involved, but the festival actually is in its 26th year. So we've been running since 1992.
That's impressive. Can you tell us a little bit about when we started planning for this festival?
This festival is a 6-month work in progress and culminating in today. And we start around December, January, and it's a team of all volunteers, 20 to 40 volunteers each year.
That sounds like a lot of work. I mean, you've been doing it for 3 years. What brings you back? What drives you to make this festival happen?
With the rest of life, it's the people. The people are great to work with. The people of Taiwan, Taiwanese American leaders are just a blessing, and it's really fun to be part of the best team there is.
Great. Last question. When you go back to Taiwan, what's the first thing you get to eat?
Oh, that's a hard one. I love oyster noodle soup, so oa mian xian is my favorite.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Vivian. I'm here with Brian. We're in line for the food. Brian, can you tell us a little bit about what you're in line for and what you're looking forward to?
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to the lu rou fan, which is the Taiwanese rice plate with the pork. And if they have
Are you Taiwanese?
I'm not.
Oh, okay. You know a lot about lu rou fan. It's like one of my favorite meals too.
Yeah, and I'm also looking forward to stinky tofu if they have that.
Oh, okay. How'd you hear about the festival?
Facebook. So I have a lot of Asian American friends, and some of them are Taiwanese, and Facebook everybody is aware of things like that are going on, and so I found out Facebook.
Yeah, very cool. Thank you, Jeff. All right, I'm here with Alexander Hu, the Cultural Festival Director for the festival. Can you give us a little bit background on what the festival is all about?
The festival is about celebrating Taiwanese American heritage on the Asian American Heritage Week, a month actually. We're here to celebrate in the beautiful SF Union Square with everyone to share about our culture. We have food, we have activities, we also have cultural booth for you to check out, learn a little bit about history. We also got curate a little library for everyone to check out from Taiwanese American authors. We also have Ma Zu Miao. We also got our proud sponsors, and then we have in the back we also have performances. Really happy to have everyone here.
Yeah. So this isn't your first year doing the festival, right? Can you describe like what you were doing last year during the festival?
Last year I was actually here running back and forth backstage, helping out with the performance on the stage stuff.
Yeah, very good. So he's been involved in the festival multiple years, and this year as our cultural festival director. Thank you, Alexander.
Thanks, Ben.
Yeah, thank you. I'm here with Joseph, the director of TICO. Joseph, is this your first year in being involved in the Taiwanese American Cultural Festival?
Actually, I have been here almost every year. This is my third year to be here.
Wow, that's very impressive. Multi-years. What do you think about the festival every year? Does it get better and better?
Yes, I'm very happy to see this festival has grown in scale every year. And it always incorporates new features into its program. It's great.
Can you describe a little bit about TICO for the audience if they're not aware of it?
Yes, my office, the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in San Francisco, represent the government of Taiwan in the area of Northern California and the state of Nevada and the state of Utah. The function of my office is exactly the same as the Consulate General for Taiwan in this area.
Okay, very cool. I know TICO supports a lot of our events too. Like, how did you support the Taiwan Festival here?
Actually, every year we have the support this cultural festival to mobilize our community to donate and to provide all kinds of materials that it needs to this festival. And also help the community to know we have such a great event in May.
Yeah, thank you, Joseph and Tico. Your support has been very helpful in running the festival every year. We appreciate it. Thank you, Joseph. Okay. I'm here with Yan Sulong. He's going to do a little introduction about what he does and how he's involved in the festival.
OK， 大家好，我是金山湾区侨教中心主任严树荣啊。我们湾区侨教中心呢，主要就是在服务湾区地区的侨胞推广这个文化也好，推广台湾文化，然后还有协助侨胞这个中文教育也好，或是侨团的这个健全发展。那我们很高兴今天我们可以 sponsor 这个台湾文化节这个活动，因为这是一个非常重要的活动，它可以 promote 我们的这个台湾的文化。台湾的很多的艺术表演团体等等，都可以在今天这个场合呈现给我们这个旧金山地区的民众了解。我觉得这是非常棒的一个活动。
对，蛮好的。这是你第一次参加这个festival 吗？
我第一次参加。
OK， 你感觉上怎么样？
感觉非常好啊，因为它有台湾美食，然后也有台湾的一些中华文化技巧也好，台湾的一些作品一些这种艺术作品。那还有这个台湾很受小朋友欢迎的扯铃灯，我觉得这个都是非常好，可以 showcase 台湾 culture 的一个场合啦。那我觉得非常棒，我们侨中心向来都非常支持它这个活动。那还有很重要，台湾也有派一个国立体育运动大学的这个团员他们待会会有很精彩的表演。我想这个是非常好的一个场合啦。对。
他们等一下会表演。
对，等一下会表演，是啊。
好，谢谢。
好，谢谢啊，谢谢。
I'm here with Jim. Jim, can you describe kind of like how you found out about the festival and what you think so far?
Yeah. So my fiance is from Hong Kong, and she just mentioned it was going on today. We wanted to come down and check it out.
Oh yeah. Have you ever been to Taiwan?
No, I haven't.
What about Hong Kong?
Nope, not yet.
Okay. You definitely check it out.
That's after the honeymoon. But she also speaks, I guess, Cantonese Mandarin, and I think dialect to Taiwanese? Is it slightly different?
Yeah, Taiwanese is slightly different, yeah.
So she's been harassing me. We gotta go there too.
Yeah, definitely check out Taiwan.
Yeah, I'd love to.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
今仔日是台湾文化节，咱台湾同乡联合会同乡会大日子。啊，今仔日天气真好，啊，伫迄个 Union Square， 差不多要2万人来看哦，进进出出。今日节目也足好，帐篷也足好。咱是节目是迄个台湾体育大学来，啊，甲咱飞芒的台语学校嘛拢甲咱表演，啊，搁local有4队吼。 拢即个真少年的精英来咧表演，所以成绩足好诶。啊，咱的帐篷，咱的府，今仔日是凉妈妈，非常的好食，非常的成功，大家拢买有着，大家拢食有着，吼。啊，凉面、卤肉饭拢足好诶。啊，搁咱的兰花80盆拢卖了了，啊，往来酥300块也拢卖了了。啊，搁一个上好，咱有一个台湾历史的帐篷吼。 有广告，咱美国少年的做册50本的册的展览嘛非常非常的好啊，非常多谢大家来参观吼。啊，希望明年啊，咱有妈祖嘛有来甲咱展览，所以哦，希望咱明年会更较好。谢谢，多谢。
If you haven't gotten a chance to yet, highly encourage you guys to check out one of our many fun interactive exhibits that we have here at the Taiwanese American Festival today. For example, we have a calligraphy exhibit. You can do some calligraphy, learn some Asian characters, take that home with you. Pin the location. That sounds interesting. We also got Mahjong Bingo. I'm not sure if they're taking real money bets on that, but it's sure to be a lot of fun. And we also have Diablo. Is that right, Diablo?
Yes, so.
Chopsticks race. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory, right? You're racing with chopsticks. And we got towel and lantern animals. I'm assuming that's where you can learn how to fold towels and lanterns into animal shapes, which sounds pretty cool. And it's all kid and adult friendly, so make sure you stop on down to one of our many exhibits today.
SkylinkSF.com.
Alright guys, and we have one more sponsor. It's not a microphone company obviously, but we have one more sponsor we'd really like to thank, Canada Tires. Been around for quite a long time, over 40 years, and they produce some of the best tires out there that are quality. And we want to make sure that we give a big, warm thank you to them because they've been in business, part of the San Francisco Bay Area. So guys, if you need tires, Canada Tires, no matter if it's your car, if it's your lawnmower, if it's your bicycle, we got it covered. And guys, I saw this group over here dancing a little bit earlier. Those guys we just had on, they are the funkiest Taiwanese people. It just makes me want to boom! So guys, if you want to dance, make sure you dance for our next group. And Maggie, tell us who they are.
National Taiwan University Sports is back. They've got a huge, amazing dance performance. The intrinsic concept of the dances is based on the diverse culture of Taiwan, and with the utilization.
I think now there's too many mics.
We also have a special guest here. How many of you have heard of the Taiwanese American basketball star Jeremy Lin? Show of hands. That is quite a number of you, which is awesome. Well, we have the producer of the Lin Sanity documentary here with us this afternoon to give you guys an update about a very cool film that is playing this afternoon or later today.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Brian. Was it Yao Mingsen? I am a film producer, and previously I made a documentary called Lin. Maybe some of you have heard of it. Hopefully you've all seen it by now. Lin Su Hao de Jilupian. My new movie we're playing tonight here in San Francisco at the Kabuki 8 is called Late Life. It is a story of Taiwan national icon Chen Ming-Wang's story. Wang Jian, 纽约洋基队的投手. Our movie is screening tonight and tomorrow night Tonight is 9:20 p.m. and tomorrow 6:40 p.m. Again, over in Japantown, so right down the street. If you want more information, there are postcards at the volunteer booth, or you can talk to me if you see me after this. We would love to have you out. Special guest is actually Wang Jianming himself will be here at both screenings this weekend in attendance. So he flew out here from his home in Florida, and we would love to have you guys come and share and enjoy this movie. So hopefully we will see you there tonight or tomorrow. Okay? Thank you, everyone.